Go.
This is an introduction to the S75099 Bandit Pneumatic Air Tool to install junior preform clamps. Contains the body assembly as well as a foot control. The foot control is fully functional to operate the tool, leaving the operator's hands free to precisely position the Bandit Junior clamp on the hose assembly. It operates by putting your foot on the pedal. It cycles down to a holding pressure. You'll pull up the clamp, and I'll do that in a minute. And then to release the clamp tail, back off on it. And I'll show that in full cycle. The Bandit 750 has 3 regulators in 2 gauges. The regulator on the right side is a speed regulator, controls how fast the clamp is tensioned on the hose assembly. The middle one is a pull-up pressure, which regulates how much pressure or how tight the clamp is going to be on the hose assembly. And the left one is a holding pressure regulator, which allows it to kick down to a lower pressure so that we can do a roll-up. These regulators and gauges are identified and given guidelines on the side of the tool for the correct speed, tension, and holding pressure based on the width of the clamp. I'm set up now to do a 1/2" junior smooth ID clamp. You can see the smooth ID. The other feature is a grip tip on the edge of the clamp tail. We'll insert that into the cutter blade assembly. We'll put in our test mandrel, and I'll activate the tool. Kicks down to a holding pressure. I'll roll it up. So now we'll step on the back of the foot pedal and we'll pull out the clamp tail. And on the back of the clamp tail, you'll see the gripper witness, and that shows there's a very good gripper engagement on the clamp tail. I wanted to point out that the successful lock is right on this edge, and the lock should be flush with the top of the buckle. No sharp edges protruding. It's not beginning to slide underneath. That's a perfect lock.